Hi guys, this is another series. Yes, another one. Yay! We have Mercury, Venus, Mars, asteroid belt. Yes, I included it. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Yes, Pluto. The Kuiper belt, and then extra over here, bonus. Yeah, there's 4 bonuses for this series. First, let's start with Mercury. Our little planet that is the closest to the sun. As I said in another video, it is the second hottest. The trophy of the hottest belongs to Venus because of its thick atmosphere. But this is Mercury's video. Okay, so let's continue. It is the closest to the sun, and it has a lot of craters. They appear submerged in other terrestrials because most of them have been eroded or just eroded away, not because of air, but for other geological causes or natural causes. But there's little activity on Mercury, as you guys see over here. So there's a lot of craters. Do you see some wrinkles on Mercury? I see one. Let me just show you on my cursor. It's because scientists think that Mercury is still shrinking from when Mercury was formed. It's still cooling off. Okay. This episode will need to be at least 10 minutes or 15. And we only passed for 3 minutes over here. So let's keep talking about Mercury. It is the first from the sun. And I'm not going to talk about days because Mercury is tidally locked. For persons that already know astronomy, they know what it is. But if you're new to astronomy, tidally locked gives a planet a permanent day and a permanent night. And that's a almost. If you're seeing here on Mercury, you're gonna have, at the start of the year, you're gonna have 6 months of permanent day. Then in another 6 months, you will have permanent night. Then the process flips. That makes some extreme temperatures in Mercury. In the night side, it can be as cold as 100 below the freezing point of water, which is 0 Celsius. And then it also can be super hot, since it is the closest to its star. It is also very hot on day. Let me just say an example. More than 420 Fahrenheit, no, Celsius. So that is the tiny loss. But what about a year, Mercury? As you all may expect, Mercury has a small orbit because it's the closest to its star. If you don't know what an orbit is, I really don't know the meaning, but oversimplifying, it's the path a object goes around something because of gravity. If you want to know more about what gravity is, if you're new to astronomy, actually some medium astronomers watching this video really don't know yet what is gravity, because they're gonna learn it someday. If you just wanna wait, you wait, medium astrologist or astronomist. But for the persons that don't really want to go on astrology or astronomy really much, I'll say where to find. It's really easy. Just go to YouTube and just say, what is gravity? And you're gonna find some physics video in some place in the world. Okay, so let's continue. And year is measured when a planet ends its orbit around its star and restarts the cycle. For that, your little Earth only takes 365 days to go around our star, and Mercury only takes 88 days to go around the sun. Yeah, when I say star in our star, in this planet thing I'm doing, I really mean the same star, okay? Our sun. Okay? Good? Everyone understand? Okay. So that was practically it. So I don't really know what a day in Mercury is, but let me just get a little search. Can I do that? Okay, thanks. A day in Mercury, since it is tightly locked to its star, it is 55 days for a day to occur on Mercury, which is more than a year on Mercury. Oh, wait, it's more than half of a year on Mercury. And the day is measured when a reaction and starts the cycle again. It's practically almost the same thing as orbit, but if you look, they're pretty different stuff. But yeah, that's a day of Mercury. And 15 hours if you want to be precise. And I don't know, I don't remember really good at 33 minutes too. Yeah. And one thing more about Mercury's craters after we get to the review of today's class. Mercury's craters are named after famous artists, like even the composers. And also another fun fact that one is named after the famous composer Beethoven. Yeah. That. So now today's review. Mercury has a lot of visible craters. Other terrestrial planets do not have as much craters because of natural causes. Mercury has a lot of wrinkles. Scientists think that is because it is still shrinking from when it was formed. A year on Mercury is shorter than a year on Earth. A day on Mercury is very long. Mercury is tidally locked to its Sun, then making extreme temperatures on Mercury and the both sides. And to finish, Mercury craters have names after famous composers like Beethoven, and also artists. So today, I'm starting this series like a class or something. I'm still gonna put the homework. No, it's kinda homework. I just made this for fun. I really like planets. Also rockets. So my comment will be on the comment section. That will be the kinda homework stuff. You will respond to that comment so you can actually do the homework. Okay?